Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP FICO. Friends, today we will learn about process of advance received. So first of all, we have to create advance from customer GL. As you remember, we will create GL account under the T code FS00. As we created earlier also, today we will create advance from customer GL under the group current liabilities. I have already created advance from customer. You have to create like this. I'll show you all the configurations. First of all, give the GL account number, company code. Under type and description, you have to select current liabilities account group. Then select balance sheet account. Give short text advance from customer, long text advance from customer account. Under control data, you have to select INR for Indian currency. Then select reconciliation account for account type customer. Then tick on line item display. Then select sort key 001. Under create bank and interest group, you have to select field status G067 for reconciliation account. Then click on save. Like this you can create advance from customer GL. Now second step is define alternative payment account for down payment under the T code OBXR. Here we will create the special GL indicator. Write the T code OBXR. Here F for payment request, double click on F. Give the chart of account of your company. Here we will select the reconciliation account of your customer. I have selected domestic customer account. In front of customer account, you have to select the advanced GL, or you can say special GL, which we have created now, advance from customer. Like this you have to assign. Then click on save and continue. Same as we will create for a special GL indicator for down payment. Double click on. Then select your reconciliation account of your customer. Select domestic customer account. Then select special GL account, or you can say advance from customer account in front of your reconciliation account. Like this we will select for all your reconciliation accounts. Then click on save. Continue. Now next step is create DPR, down payment request, with the T code F-37. Go to SAP. As we created DPR for accounts payable also, what was the T code? F-47 for accounts payable, and in accounts receivable the T code is F-37 for create DPR, down payment request. Here we will give the document date 25th of May 2020. Then give posting date. Then document type is DZ for DPR. Then period second, company code Tata, currency is INR. Here we will select the customer. I'm selecting this Bajaj and company. Then select your special GL indicator A. Then click on enter. Here we will give the amount of the DPR, which is 40,000. Then give here narration. Here we will give the due date. Due date is 25th May 2020. Like this you can create, then click on post. Continue. Now you can see document was posted in company code Tata. Now we'll get back. Next step is release the down payment through the T code F-29. F-29. Here give the document date 25th May, posting date 25th May, then give customer account. Balaji and Company was our customer. Here we will select the special GL indicator A, then select the bank details. Press F4 key to see the list of GL accounts. Here I am selecting SBI Incoming Bank. Amount is 40,000 for your down payment. Value date 25th of May 2020. Here you can give narration. Enter. Give the amount 40,000, then give narration. Enter. Then click on post. Here you can see the document was posted in the company code Tata. We'll get back. Like this we can create DPR and release the down payment. Now next is we will create one customer invoice through the T code FB70. Go to SAP, run the T code FB70 to book the invoice. As we created earlier also, we will book one more new invoice. Give your customer information, select your customer, Balaji and Company, invoice date 25th of May 2020, posting date is 25th of May, then amount for your total invoice is 4 lakh. Here you can give narration, then select your GL account, revenue account. Revenue account is credited with amount 4 lakh. Give value date is 25th of May 2020. Enter. Here one message has popped up with the reminder कि 40,000 down payment has already exist. Yes, press continue. Enter. Now you can simulate this entry to see. Here you can see 01 posting key is used for debit the customer and 50 posting key is used for credit the revenue account with 4 lakh rupees. Now you can click on this post. Here you can see document was posted in the company code Tata. Like this you can book your invoice. Now we'll get back. Now next is payment received from customer through the T code F-28. Now run the T code F-28. Give the document date. Here document type is DZ for incoming payment. Then company code, currency is INR, posting date is 25th. Here select the bank details, press F4 key to see the GL list. Select SBI incoming bank. Then give the amount. I am paying the remaining amount, which is 3,60,000. Give the value date 25th May. Here you can give the narration. Select your open item. For your customer. Now document type is D for customer. Here you can select the special GL indicator A. Then click on this process open item so that it will show you all the open items. Here you can see there two items are selected. It is in blue color, it means it is selected. The first one is DR document, which is 4 lakh. It means we have booked the customer invoice with 4 lakh rupees because DR is for customer invoice and DZ for customer down payment. Now here you can see the amount entered is 3,60,000, assigned amount is 3,60,000 and not assigned amount is 0. If the balance is 0, then you can click on this post. Now you can see document was posted in the company code Tata. Now you can see the report also. Run the T code FBL 5N to see the customer report. Here press F4 key to see the customer. Select the cleared items. Now click on this execute button. Here you can see on 25th we have booked one invoice with the DR document type with the amount 4 lakh, and on same date 25th by the DZ document type we have cleared the amount with the 4 lakh rupees. Here double click on it so you can see the whole entry. Click on this overview. Here you can see the journal entry, which is posting key 40 is used for debit the SBI incoming bank with the rupees 3,60,000 and 15 posting key is used to credit the customer account with a 4 lakh rupees and 9 posting key with a special GL indicator is used for debit the customer account with 40 lakh, which is a 40 lakh which is our down payment and this is our whole payment. So like this it has cleared the 4 lakh rupees and balance is 0. So this is your whole entry. We will get back. Now it is in green colors, it means it is cleared. So like this you can create the DPR, release the down payment and book the invoice, then release the invoice payment. Like this you can clear your customer invoice. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Have a nice day.